Hi, I'm Bryan with Messick Farm Equipment. We're excited here today to introduce to you the new New Holland P2185 Air Drill. This is a sneak peek of this that we just got in here, and we're going to walk around this drill and show you the new product improvements that we have on the new P2185.
Messick's a helping hand with your land.
We're here at our row opener unit. We have a parallel linkage design. We're going to start back here at our closing unit. We have our closing wheel, which can go from a 0.5 to a 13-degree angle of attack to close in some of the most difficult soils. We have 59 pounds through 84 pounds of down pressure that we can adjust on this wheel. Also, this wheel can be adjusted at an angle now, which is brand new. We can slightly offset this closing disc with 4 positions to close it even some of the most stickiest or hardest clay type soils. Up towards the front of the row unit, we have a new scraper design with a hardened scraper, and it will clean and stick to the scraper even more to wipe that trash off. The seed tube is a forward-facing seed tube, so we're forcing that seed in the front of the trench, eliminating any bounce so it sticks when it hits, so we don't have any need for any seed placement wheel. As we move our way around the drill, we'll stop here. We have a brand new flotation tire, much larger than any of our previous tires, so we'll be able to float over some of the softest soils. If we look at our massive grain tank now, we go from 70 bushel up to 110 bushel grain tank, the largest in the industry to keep you out in the field and going. We have 4 clean outs underneath the grain drill now to clean out when you're done. Makes it much easier to clean out. You have lights and service lights throughout the back here of the drill as well. Also on the back, you have the option for 2 cameras, an intake camera, and a rear-facing camera for when you're backing up and getting around your buildings. So we're down here in the actual grain tank, and there's 2 things we wanted to look at here. We have an agitator that is standard, that has roll pins to keep that seed flowing. And we also have an anti-bridging system in here as well that will keep that seed flowing and not let it bridge over top of the seed metering device. You have a ladder that lets you come in and out. It's removable. And just to show you how massive this grain tank is now. We have scales that is an option that can be put on the grain drill. You'll be able to view the weight of your tank either on the back here or up on your monitor. You're able to zero out your weight back here that will also translate to your monitor in the cab, so you can keep an eye on while you're filling and while you're planting as well. We now have a new standard rain shield here in the front of the tank to keep any of the wind and water or debris or anything that would get in and mess with the metering system. That is new and standard equipment. You're also able now to do a standing calibration check for your seed. So you can check your calibration of your monitor and what you're putting down just standing still, and do a catch test and a weigh test so you accurately know what you're putting in the ground. On our seed metering on our hoses, we now have individual checks to make sure our seed is flowing. They come after the Y now, so you'll know exactly which seed tube is flowing, and if there's any blockage, you will be able to see that on your monitor and be able to correct that immediately. So that's a quick walk around the new P2185 drill and the difference between the previous model and this model here. If you have any interest in this product, please give us a call at 1-800-222-3373. Ask to speak to anyone in ag sales, and we thank you for your business.